One of the things you need when you get into this business, you must find a broker who will educate you, teach you, and mentor you. You know, one of the things, like I mentioned earlier, when I got into this business, I got thrown out there. I made it because I knew how to hustle, and I knew I don't give up. I set a goal and I get there or I die trying. I've been like that my whole life. So I got here, right? And I'm still growing, and every day I learn. And I still learn from people. Every day something new, right? So one of the things I did when I hire agents, I created an apprenticeship program. And, a real estate transaction has, 23, 25 steps to closing, depending on the deal. Now, the first three steps are your most critical, okay? Your prospecting, okay? Your calls, and you're setting the appointment. Prospecting, contacts, and appointments. So I teach them everything they need to know about those three steps. Now, when you're coming in this business, to know the other steps, writing contracts, dealing with title companies, ordering insurance, or ordering appraisal, like lenders, it's like standing in front of a fire hydrant and turning it on, and you're just done.